In this video, we're going to have a look at laying out the walls in the upstairs of our house. So I'm going to go to the first floor plan and we can see our layout by here. Click the wall architectural. I'm going to select the stud wall construction, but I'm going to edit it and duplicate it and make it 100mm studs instead of 75. So that's the only change I'm making to that form of construction because we've got the plaster either side already. Okay, now I'm just going to zoom in down here on our stairs and draw our first wall coming up. Oops, that's slightly off straight. There we go. Okay. So what I'm looking to create is 4 bedrooms, a master bathroom, and an ensuite for one of the bedrooms as well. So you can see I'm just very quickly positioning the walls, not overly concerned exactly about their positions at the moment. Okay, let's have a little look what we've got here then. So now I'm going to actually start positioning them more accurately. Now you'll notice it brings up the dimensions, and if you grab the blue dot at the end of one of the lines of the dimensions, you can line it up with something else. So I can see there I've got 900 from the stairs to the wall, 927. I'm going to put the door over by here, so I might actually make that 900. Press enter. Then I'm going to click on this wall, and let's see how big each of these bedrooms are. We can see this one, 31 just over, so I'll change that to 3000. And that makes this one the slightly bigger one at 3145. I'm happy with that. And I'll do the same on the front. Just make this one 3000. There we go. Right, I just want to check this wall by here is lining up with the one that we had downstairs. Now we can see we've got them in line. So what I'm going to do is just adjust the height of the one downstairs and say up to first floor level. Yep, that is what we want. But of course we need that. So in that case, I'll take this one down to it. Base constraint, first floor, base offset, we'll say minus, what's the thickness? 217, 229, so it's 230. Let's have a little look now. We can see they're not quite in line with each other there. So I think what I'm going to do is go back to the first floor and I'll put the underlay back in. So scroll down here and look for the underlay, change it to ground floor. Now we were very close, but it just wasn't quite there. So we'll just try moving this a little bit, zoom in a bit more. Yeah, I can see it's not quite lining up. I'll use the move actual command rather than just grabbing and dragging on this occasion. Just to try and there, that's better. So we've just got those lined up. And then I'll turn that underlay back off in a minute. Okay, we can see this wall here. We've got 850. We want it a bit more than that. I might make that 1,000 and we'll see how that goes. This side, can we get away with 1,000 on this side as well and have enough left in the middle? Looking at about 1,800 between them. That should be adequate. And then this one, considering here having a small cupboard built in on the one bedroom while we've got the ensuite on the other one, that could be a handy little feature. But I think we would need a bit more depth than we've got. So let's have a look. Let's make that a nice round 1,400. And then this wall, I'm actually just going to dogleg a little bit. So I'll just drag this back to there and put a new wall just in by here. Trim them to join them together. And then just check the depth. 700. We'll make that 800. There we go. So that's a nice decent depth wardrobe in by there. So there is our basic layout with the walls. I'm going to turn off the underlay again now. And I've left enough space for doors. Okay. What we do have though is this little balustrade is not protecting that area. So we're going to finish off that balustrade now we can actually see the full length. So what I'm going to do is click on that one, say edit path, go to the first floor plan, and then just draw this line to there and green tick, and then we can look at that again in the 3D view and we can see the balustrade now goes all the way along there, which is much better. So that gives us our basic wall layouts for our house.